Meaning of flyby.
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 Flyby. Flyby refers to the close passage of a spacecraft or aircraft near a celestial body or another object. During a flyby, the spacecraft or aircraft does not enter orbit around the object but instead continues on its trajectory. The purpose of a flyby is usually to gather data and images of the object for scientific exploration or reconnaissance purposes, or to use the object's gravity to alter the spacecraft's trajectory. Flybys have been used extensively in space missions including the Voyager, New Horizons, and Rosetta missions to explore planets, moons, and comets in our solar system.